Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can create a recurring work item for your projects and workspaces in the Plane Project Management app. So let us dive into this. So navigate to your workspace in the Plane Project Management app. And what you want to do after that is access your settings here to the left. And from here, guys, navigate to projects to the right. And here at the bottom of that panel to the left, you will see this list, recurring work items. So click into it and create your first recurring work item by clicking into this button. You may, for example, assign a task type here, give the item a title. So let me name it really uncreative recurring work item. Sorry. You may describe it below, ABC, 1, 2, 3, and so on and so forth. And then you may set default properties below, like for example, assign a status like backlog, to do, in progress. Let us start with backlog so that these recurring work items on default start in this status. You may set a priority like none, assignees, for example, or assign someone from your workspace, assign labels, modules, and so on and so forth. And after that, you may add a start and a due date, for instance. And here, guys, because it's a recurring item, you may select an interval like daily if the task needs to be completed daily or weekly. So let's go with start date tomorrow, December 1st. And since this is a recurring work item, we're not going to add any end date, and set it to a weekly interval. And after that, click into this button here, create recurring work item. And there you go. Now you can, for example, add it to your projects, for instance, create new work items here on a recurring basis. And that's basically it, guys. Hope you enjoyed it, got some real value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.